Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Friday, June 4th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a Stockcard CEO, reporting to you from a green market. I looked at the new employment report and how it pushed the indices into the green zone. I also took a look at why DocuSign ended the day more than 19% higher and Canopy Growth took a 4% cut. The stock market indices finished Friday nicely in the green. The Nasdaq index was up almost 1.5%. The S&P and the Dow indices didn't finish too far off either. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the total non-farm payroll employment rose by 559,000 in May, and the unemployment rate declined by 0.3 percentage point to 5.8%. The new jobs added to the economy was lower than expected. However, the overall results were encouraging enough to send the market into the green zone. Before we jump into today's winners and losers, let me introduce you to the Think Tank Trading Portfolio. This is a new portfolio and portfolio publisher on Stockcard's stock pick page run by Dale Thompson. Dale is a YouTuber and a Discord channel host. His portfolio is a mix of stocks and ETFs that are forward-thinking, as he puts it. He uses a combination of technical and fundamental analysis to find investment opportunities with massive upside. Many are high risk, but he balances them off with safe plays to offset market volatility and sector sentiment. Look for Think Tank Trading on a Stockcard's stock pick page and follow Dale if you're interested in his strategy. His portfolio is already in the green, beating the S&P 500 index. DocuSign, DOCU, was among today's top gainers when I looked at the list of winners and losers on Stockcard. Shares were up by more than 19%. The company released its latest quarterly earnings report yesterday. Revenue was up more than 67%, which came as a surprise to investors. Before the earnings, Wall Street worried that the company may not keep up its growth as the economy reopens, but the earnings managed to calm investors. Today, let's talk about cannabis stocks. On a Stockcard, as you may know, you can type in any theme, for example, cannabis, in the search bar and get the list of companies in that sector. The reason I'm talking about cannabis stocks today is the news that Canopy Growth, CGC, ended its joint venture with celebrity Drake and his More Life hemp brand. Cannabis stocks tend to invest in their brands quite heavily to differentiate themselves from competition. This is why partnership with celebrities is a key part of their marketing and growth strategy. It's interesting to see that Canopy Growth terminated the partnership with Drake. Investors didn't appreciate it and the stock was down more than 4% today. I own CGC stocks in my portfolio and I tend to hold it since it is still one of the largest and best funded cannabis companies out there, and it gives me exposure to this industry if a rally at some point in the future. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give Stockcard a try, research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock pick page on a Stockcard platform. And perhaps the next time you visit there, look for Think Tank Trading by Dale. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. And as always, help us grow the community by liking and subscribing and sharing these market recap reports with your fellow investors if you like them. I see you next week.